a tale of long ago. The land was full of dragons, so when they were big and men did run, being on fire was not much fun. The villagers were a buffet, like stomachs groaned and moaned away. All you can eat and then some more. When beasts got full and left us alone, scatter, flee, and escape to live to fight another day. Run, run, don't be slow or be like a flaming marshmallow. Dragons never joined a pack, just solitary, that's a fact. Good thing for us or we'd all be snacks. An army of dragons would surely win. Companies of no...
Welcome back to M&J Incorporated. Today we are making Kobe beef from Japan. Let's get started, guys. As you guys can see, we have everything set out right in front of us today. So let me introduce what we have to cook with. Today, the star, the Kobe beef Wagyu. I don't know how I would grade the marbling score on this, but I got it at my local grocery store that I love going to. It's a health food store. Not going to reveal any names of where it comes from. We're going to be using red pearl onions, garlic, mushrooms, and butter. Let's get started. Last item, rosemary, guys. Don't forget to use the rosemary. With these steaks, you do not want to season it with any special seasonings. All we have is pink Himalayan salt. So I'm going to generously spread some of this salt all over these steaks. Lap some of them up on the corners, guys. And now that we're done seasoning, we're going to put them on a roaring hot pan and get them searing. As you can see, this is really hot and searing up very nicely. I'm going to turn this one on. Turn down the heat. Take a decent amount of butter. Put it in the pan and let that melt down. Once you have it melted down, you want to add your ingredients so that you can have everything basting this. So I will show you guys that in another second or so, and I'll be showing you guys what it looks like after we're all done cooking. Right now I'm going to add some red onions and garlic into the mix so that we can have a very nice sauce for this. I like adding one garlic at a time for this sauce. That way it has a little bit more richer taste, so that when you are cooking this, you actually get a lot more flavor by adding only one at a time rather than adding in a bunch at a time. I know it might sound crazy, but it works. Trust me on that much. And now that we have all those ingredients in here, we can transfer the steak over to the pan, and we'll repeat the process again once both these steaks are cooked. As you guys can see here, we have another alcohol video. Today I'm going to be doing a wine reduction with this, and once again, like I said last time on an alcoholic video, remember kids, don't touch this. Let your parents or someone over the age of 21 touch this. So I'm going to pour this into the pan and deglaze it. I'll let you guys see. And now that it's doing that, I turn down the heat to a 5 setting on my stove, and I let that cook down for a little bit so that all the particles from the bottom of that pan mix in with the wine and we get a wine reduction. Next, we're going to strain out the sauce so that we could put it into the pan in that bowl right there. So we can get all the stuff inside this pan out, and so that we can have everything be nice and tasty. We don't want any floating particles in there or anything. We just want it to have enough liquid over that so we don't have to waste all that deliciousness. Wash everything out after you're done. I've already grilled up this steak, so let's pour a little bit of that sauce on here and let's eat. Oh, that smells amazing. Just take a spoon and then pour it on. One more for good luck. Look at that steak, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's eat, guys. Ooh. So pumped. So pumped. Let's eat some of this, guys. Leg positioning always sucks. Let's cut right there. Oh my God. Look at how pink that is. Wagyu. Kobe Wagyu, guys. First time ever trying this. Thanks, guys. I didn't even need to chew that. Holy snap, that was super delicious. Intense beef flavor. Guys, hope you loved the video. Please like and subscribe and share on Facebook.
Companies of noblemen took to slay a hydra then, but they were so huge and powerful, the costly battles lasted long. Scatter, flee, and escape to live to fight another day. Run